Hey developers, welcome to Devcovery. Today, we're bringing you the hottest open source projects trending on GitHub, so you don't miss any tech developments worth your attention.
Today, we're taking a deep dive into a trending project on GitHub, TradingAgents, a framework that assembles a team of AI agents to tackle the complex world of financial trading. Imagine specialized LLMs collaborating on everything from market research to risk management, all within a single Python framework. This project is making institutional-grade AI trading strategies accessible to individual developers. What if an AI trading system behaved less like a single, monolithic algorithm and more like an entire financial firm, one with specialist teams, internal debates, and even risk managers? Well, that's the core idea behind TradingAgents, a project that rethinks how large language models can approach financial markets. TradingAgents is an open-source framework from TauricResearch that simulates a multi-agent financial trading company. Its goal is to improve decision-making by breaking down complex analysis into specialized roles for different AI agents. And the project is gaining serious traction. It's already accumulated over 81,000 stars on GitHub, with nearly 300 of those added in just the last day. That kind of interest highlights a clear demand for more sophisticated AI tools in the world of finance. So, what's the core problem TradingAgents is trying to solve? It's the inherent limitation of a single AI model trying to navigate the incredibly complex financial world. A lone model can really struggle to balance fundamental data, technical indicators, and market sentiment all at the same time. In the past, developers might have created separate, disconnected models, or relied on purely quantitative strategies that completely miss the narrative context of the market. TradingAgents takes a different approach. It structures AI collaboration, essentially creating a digital trading floor where different LLM-powered agents specialize in one area. Then, they debate their findings to produce a more robust and well-rounded final decision. Let's dive into the technical details. The architecture is built on a tool called LangGraph, which is a framework for creating stateful, multi-agent applications. This allows TradingAgents to move beyond simple, linear chains of commands. Instead, it constructs a dynamic workflow graph where agents can operate in parallel, loop back for debates, and pass information between each other. Think of it as a sophisticated flowchart for AI conversations. A second key piece of the tech is structured output. The system forces the language models to respond in a reliable, predictable format, most likely JSON, instead of just free-form text. This is crucial. It ensures that when the news analyst agent passes its report to the researcher agent, the data is clean and predictable, preventing the entire workflow from crashing because of a simple formatting error. Finally, let's talk about its memory system, which is two-tiered. For fault tolerance, it uses SQLite checkpoints to save its progress. This means a long analysis can resume right where it left off, even after a crash. And for long-term learning, it maintains a persistent decision log. This log tracks past trades and their outcomes, feeding those lessons back into future analyses to create a simple but effective learning loop. It's important to be clear. This framework is primarily a research tool, not a plug-and-play trading bot you can just turn on. Its target users are financial researchers, quantitative analysts, and AI developers. Researchers can use it to study collective AI decision-making in different market scenarios. Quants can extend the framework to design and backtest new strategies driven by these multi-agent systems. Getting started is pretty straightforward. It offers an interactive command line interface and even has Docker support for an easy setup. For those who want deeper integration, it also functions as a Python package, allowing developers to build their own custom financial analysis workflows. So, what does the community think? Reception seems to be cautiously optimistic. On one hand, developers are praising the project's innovative architecture and transparency. They see it as an excellent educational tool for understanding how multi-agent systems work. On the other hand, users in actual trading communities are a bit more skeptical about its real-world profitability. They point out that the high cost of API calls and the fact that it doesn't model real-world factors like transaction fees makes it a research platform, not a guaranteed moneymaker. But let's consider the risks and downsides. The most significant one is cost. A single analysis can trigger numerous calls to powerful models like GPT-4, and those costs can add up very quickly. The system is also highly dependent on third-party data APIs, making it vulnerable to service outages or unexpected changes from those providers. And, perhaps most importantly, the entire framework's performance is tied to fragile prompt engineering. A minor update to a foundational language model could completely alter its behavior, potentially breaking the logic of the whole system and requiring extensive, painstaking retuning of all the agent instructions. In the end, TradingAgents offers a compelling look into the future of AI-driven analysis. Its real value is not as a simple trading bot, but as a sophisticated and transparent research scaffold. And why does it matter? Because it shifts the paradigm. It moves us away from the idea of a single, all-knowing AI oracle and towards a collaborative team of specialized AI agents working together.
That's all for today's Devcovery. We hope these GitHub trending projects spark some inspiration for your development work. You can find all the repos mentioned in the description below. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you tomorrow at the same time.